Good morning students. In our previous video we have discussed the topic discount, and today we are going to start a new topic, that is sales tax. Okay students, sales tax is the amount which we calculate on mark price or list price, and then after we add in that, and that the sum of this amount we have to charge with the customer. I repeat again, sale tax is a charged by the shopkeeper from the customer on selling price of an item and is added to the value of the bill. So it is calculated as a percentage of mark price or the list price. The amount a customer will pay is the sum of list price and sale tax. Okay, this is a list price and sale tax. So students, if along with the sale tax, if the amount of discount also given, then how to find out this one? So first of all, on the MP we will calculate the discount, then mark price minus discount price. Afterward, whatever the list price you are getting from here, on that list price you will calculate ST percentage, and then after whatever the sale tax amount you get from here, then list price plus sale tax amount, and this is the final selling price you are getting that you have to charge with customer. So make it more clear students, let's take some questions from our exercise number 9.4. In first question, they have given the list price of a frog. So I am going to write the keyword of this question. They have given list price. List price I am writing in short LP. Okay, list price LP. LP of frog they have given student rupees 480. Okay, and then after sale tax, that's mean ST they are charging 7% of frog. That's mean 480 rupees. 7% of frog, that's mean rupees 480. So first of all we have to find out 7% of 480. So if we find this one, we get amount from here rupees 33.60. This is the amount of sale tax. Okay students, and this amount we add in list price. So to find the SP of frog, selling price of frog that paid by customer, to find this price students, list price plus sale tax. So list price is here rupees 480, then plus rupees 33.60, and from here addition we are getting rupees 513.60. This is the final amount that is paid by customer. Okay students, now the question number second. The list price of a video game is rupees 850. If the sale tax is charged at 10%, calculate the selling price. So it's like a question number first only. Same thing they have given, list price given, percentage of sale tax given, and by calculate we have find out the final selling price of the given video game. Okay, now let's move to the question number third. In question number third, so students, here they have not given us list price, only they have given that price whatever the paid by the customer, that is Mr. Thapar paid. So here we assume first of all our list price. So I am going to write the question in short. Mr. Thapar and scooter. So Mr. Thapar is a customer. He paid the amount for the scooter is rupees 39,200. So here we will write SP of scooter, that is rupees 39,200. And student, here we have to find out the list price. List price is not given to us. So here we start with the assume that let list price is rupees 100, and then tax percentage they have given ST percentage, that's mean 12%. 12% of 100. Why 100? Because here our list price is 100. So 12% of 100, that's mean rupees. So ST amount is rupees 12. So students, as we know how to find the SP, To find the SP, list price that is 100 rupees plus tax price that is rupees 12. So SP is 112. So students, if SP of scooter is rupees 112, then list price of course we assume rupees 100, and if the SP of scooter is rupees 1, then list price 100 by 112. And if the list price of scooter is 39,000, selling price of the scooter is 39,200, then list price 100 upon 112 multiplied by 39,200. So student, cancel out it. When you will cancel from here, you will get rupees 35,000 as a mark price of the scooter. Okay students, so what we did here, I again repeat. First we assume the list price, then find out the 12% of list price, and they have given already SP of the scooter. So if the SP is 112, then list price 100. If the SP is 1, the list price 100 by 12. And if the SP is 39,200, then 100 by 112 multiply 39,200. When we cancel out it, then we get the answer rupees 35,000. Okay students. And then after question number 4, question number 4 is adject like a question number 3. In question number 4, they have given Lekha bought a cosmetic worth rupees 936 with includes sale tax. If the sale tax is 4%, find the mark price of the cosmetic. So same formula, same method we apply that we have applied in question number 3. Now let's move to the question number 5. An article is available for rupees 1,540. Inclusive of sale tax at 10%, what will be the price if the rate of sale tax change? So students, here they have given two rate of sale tax. In question number 5. I'm going to write this question in short. An article %. So here they have given two price of sale tax. The first sale tax percentage given in 10% and second sale tax percentage they have given 12%. Okay, so how to solve this question? In this question they have given selling price. Selling price is rupees 1,540, and student, the rate of sale tax, that is 10%. So student, from here we have to find out the list price. Student, we can find out the list price by using a one formula. That formula is selling price multiplied by 100 divided by 100 plus sale tax percentage. Okay, so how? 1,540 is our selling price, then 100 and 100 plus 10. So here is 110. If is it possible to cancel, then cancel out. 1 0 cancel by 1 0. 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44, then 0. So student, from here we get the list price, that is rupees 1,400. But student, they have applied another sale tax, that is 12%. So rate of sale tax changes. So here they have given rate of sales tax changes to 12%. So now the SP 100 plus 12, 112. So 112% of list price. How we get this 112%? Because 100 plus 12, 112%. So 112% of list price, so that's mean 112 divided by 100 and multiply list price, that is 1,400 we have calculated now. Okay, 20 cancel by 20, 112 multiplied by 14. From here we are getting, students, rupees 1568. This is the final SP after changing the tax rate. Okay, after changing the tax rate, the final SP is rupees 1568. Okay, students. Now then, after question number 6. In question number 6, they have given Sandeep buys a pair of shoes for rupees 577 rupees 0.50 paisa. Okay, if he paid rupees 27.50 as a sale tax, find the rate of sale tax, friends. So students, here they have given the selling price of shoes. So here we will write SP of shoes, that is rupees 577.50, and then after they have given ST amount, whatever the paid by the Sandeep, that is rupees 27.50. And student, from here we have to find out the list price. Student, to find the list price, selling price minus sales tax. Selling price is rupees 577.50 and sale tax rupees 27.50. When we subtract this one, from here we get the amount rupees 550 as a list price. Okay, and then after, student, we have the list price also and the amount also. Easily we can here find out the ST percentage, how much percentage of sale tax charged by the shopkeeper. So the amount of sale tax divided by list price and multiply by 100%. This formula we will apply here. So 10 cancel by 10, and then after, whenever you sort out this one, solve this question, then from here you get the answer 5%. Okay, students, the total 5% is charged by the shopkeeper as a sale tax. So if you want to show how we get, then I am going to explain this one. 10, then here is 100. Okay, because after 0, 2 decimal, 10 cancel by 10, 10, 10. 55 1 ja 55 and 55 5 ja 275. So here, from here we get 5% charged by shopkeeper as a sale tax. Okay, students. Now question number 7. In question number 7, they have given the list price of table is rupees 2400. If the shopkeeper allow a discount 12% on the cash payment, how much will a customer pay if the sale tax is 5%? Students, in this question, the two things they have given, first is discount and second is sale tax. So students, whenever the sale tax is given and discount is given, so we have to remember one thing, that is, first we calculate discount. So here we will write sale tax will be calculated after deducting the discount from list price. This thing we have to remember, student. This point we have to remember. That sale tax will be calculated after deducting the discount price. So first of all, they have given to us list price, that is rupees 2400. Then after discount, they have given discount is 12%. So 12% of list price, that's mean 12 by 100 multiply 2400. 20 cancel by 20. That's mean the amount of discount is rupees 288. Okay, and then after, first of all, we have to find out the list price after discount. List price after discount. So the list price is 2400 minus 288. When we subtract here, we will get the amount 2112. Then after, students, they have given ST, sale tax, that is 5% of list price after discount, that is 2112. So if we find out the 5% of this one, then we get the amount 5 by 100 multiply 2112, and when we solve this one, we get from here the amount 105.60. This is the amount of sale tax. And students, as we know very well how to find the selling price, list price plus sale tax amount. So list price is here rupees. After deducting that price, we will take as a list price, that is 2112 plus 105.60. After adding this one, we get the amount 2217.60. This is our final selling price that is paid by customer. Okay, students. Now question number 8. In question number 8, they have given the list price of a scooter, that is rupees 1320, and the rate of sale tax is 10%. The customer requests the shopkeeper to reduce the list price to such an extent that the price remains rupees 1320 inclusive of sale tax. Find the discount allowed. So in this question, the customer requests to the shopkeeper he want to pay this amount only after sale tax, after adding the amount of sale tax. So students, here we have to find out first the reduced list price, and then after the amount of discount that allowed by the shopkeeper. So student, to solve this question, first we assume here let reduce list price, okay, of cooler. That reduced list price of cooler is rupees 100, and the rate of sale tax they are paying 10%. So the amount of sale tax is 10% of 100, that's mean rupees 10 only. Then after students, the reducing selling price. The selling price should be 100 list price plus 10, that's mean 110. Now students, if selling price is rupees 110, then the reduced list price is rupees 100, that we assume. If selling price is 1, then reduced list price is rupees 100 upon 110. And student, the customer told he want to pay the selling price is only rupees 132. So here we will write, if the selling price is 1320, that means the reduced list price is 100 divided by 110 and multiply 1320. 10 cancel by 10 and it will be subtract on divide on 12. So from here we get the reduced list price is rupees 1200. Student, we know actual list price, that is rupees 1320. Then reduced list price, that we have only we find out 1200. Their difference is discount. Okay, their difference is discount. So actual price subtract list price, reduced list price, then the discount amount is rupees 120. That's mean rupees 120 discount given by the shopkeeper to the customer. In that case, the selling price and the list price will remain same. Okay students. Now the question number 9 and 10 is the same type of the question that we have done before. So students, today's homework you have to do again this full exercise in your register notebook. Okay, and today we have finished our chapter, that is percentage and its application. Okay students, thank you.